Cell phone. We can speak to anyone from anywhere on a cell phone. As we all know, we can speak to anyone from anywhere with the help of a cell phone or a mobile phone. Telex and fax. Apart from telephone and cell phone, we can now send matter, photos, pictures, etc. in seconds to a person at a faraway place through telex and fax. Through telex or a fax, we can send matter or some message or photos or pictures in just seconds to a person who is far away from us apart from telephone and cell phone. Mass communication. Now we are going to learn about mass communication. When we communicate to the large number of people at one time, it is known as mass communication. When we communicate with the large number of people at just one time, it is called mass communication. It consists of newspaper, magazine, radio, television, etc. Mass communication consists of newspapers, magazines, radio, television, etc. Newspaper. This is the picture of a newspaper. Magazine. These are the pictures of magazines. Radio. Television. These all were the means of mass communication. Now let's study in detail about these means of mass communication. Firstly, we are going to study about newspaper. Important incident, happenings in the world, country or villages can be read through the newspaper. Through newspaper, we can read important incidents, happenings in the world as well as country or villages. We can come to know the latest happenings in and around us. Through newspaper, we come to know about latest happening. Those are happening around us. The weather forecast, the sport news and other such useful information through the newspaper. We come to know about some weather forecast or sports news or other such useful information with the help of the newspaper. The newspaper consists of the happenings or incidents happening in our villages or our country or around the world, as well as what is happening around us and some weather forecast news related to sports or other information through the newspaper. Radio. News and important messages are broadcast through a radio. News and some important messages are broadcast through the radio. The news broadcast reaches immediately to every corner of the world. With the help of the radio, the news broadcast reaches immediately or just in seconds to every corner of the world. But in this means of communication, we can only hear the news or incidents. But there is some disadvantages of radio, that through radio we can only hear the news or incident. We cannot see the picture. Television. Important messages or news are telecast on television. On television, important messages or news are telecasted. Besides, through television, we can directly see the person reading the news or giving important information. Incidents, happenings in faraway places can be seen by watching television at home. Besides this, with the help of the television, we can directly see the person reading the news or giving an important information. Or we can directly see the incident happening in faraway places by watching them on a TV at our home. Now we have read about means of communication. Now it's activity time. I am giving you some activity for your homework. The first one is write true or false. So you have to read the sentences and then you have to find that the sentences are true or false. The first one is, in ancient times, the messages were sent through sign language, smoke signals and pigeons. So you have to write whether the sentence is true or false. The next one is the messages are sent through internet, mobile phones, etc. in postal communication. The next one is when we talk to the large number of people at once, it is called mass communication. And the last one is fax, telex, telephone, etc. are the example of telecommunication. So go through these sentences and then write the answer whether it is true or false. The next activity is give any two examples of each. You have to write any two examples of the following point. The first one is postal communication. The next one is telecommunication. And the last one is mass communication. So you all have to write any two examples of postal communication, telecommunication and mass communication. I hope this video will help you in learning well. Thank you.